Biomarker Workbench is optimized for drug development and biomarker discovery. It enables a structured way of setting up multiple statistical tests in a batch mode, and also makes it easy to select effective compounds or relevant signals in data. Under explanatory variables, you can set up the tests you want to perform. We'll set up 3 different tests on the same dataset. The first test is on the annotation treatment. Then we add a test for the annotation time point and one for the annotation age. The tests and annotations can be combined in a very flexible way. You can also set up eliminated factors to remove the effect of specific annotations. We'll add gender as an eliminated factor here. It's also possible to select controlled experiment. Then all your tests will be calculated individually. To perform the tests, press Run. Your results are presented in 2 ways, per test and per variable. In the overview, you see the tests and the number of variables with a certain P and Q value. In the Details tab, you'll find all variables and statistics results. The results output can be configured in many ways with the column selector. You can easily sort the result table to select the top candidates for further analysis. The list can be used for further analysis and visualizations in the main window. Now we are using only these 12 selected variables for the PCA visualization. You can clearly see that these variables separate the treatment groups. Another important use case when the Biomarker Workbench is used is the possibility to investigate correlation between sample annotations. This is typically useful if you have large sets of clinical information. To investigate if there is any correlation between treatment and any of the other sample annotations, we'll do the following. We add all sample annotations as response variables and set the dataset to none. Then press Run. The results are presented in the table. Here we can see that there is strong correlation for the treatment annotation with smoking and patients also suffering from diabetes. To summarize, the Biomarker Workbench makes advanced setup of statistical analysis easy and accessible for the user. The results are presented in tables with lots of information and can be further analyzed and visualized or exported to structured reports. To learn more or try it by yourself, visit our website qlucore.com.